remember I said there was a fourth backup method with the steady pressure. I do teach that first before I teach the pivot to the forward speed. And there's a reason for it. So let me do this first. So we're gonna rub. Pivot the hindquarters.
I didn't see it.
I think she did, yeah.
Try that again, without getting bit. And again, you can hear it. I'm not gonna release the hindquarters if they're not properly, she's not doing what I'm asking. There, that was soft. So what happens is, immediately, I put my finger here. If she doesn't back up, I'm gonna wiggle it. If she doesn't back up, then I have a mistake. And again, it's about having one step at a time, but looking for softness and looking for them to drop their head. You want them to release. Once they drop their head, I ask her. She's back up. So she dropped her head right there. I would stop right there. That would be the first, that's the first stage. Then, as I go, I want to hold that longer and longer. And back up longer and longer. So, that's the fourth, and I'll do it from both sides of the horse, by the way. I want to be able to do it from both sides. I'll do that one at a time. Alright. So she's stiff right here. I'm just gonna wait. There we go. And I give back as soon as I get light.
Why did you choose to use the dressage whip for that one and not the carrot stick?
So two reasons actually. One is because I was actually gonna go into pivot of the forequarters.
Oh, okay.
I already had it in my hands.
Okay.
Second reason is actually when I work in close quarters, a lot of times, especially doing Liberty, I do use the dressage whip
Okay.
a lot. It is more handy for it, and especially in this particular exercise. That if she doesn't back up for me, some horses might not at first. You're wiggling, you're pushing. You might have to put pressure again.
Okay.
And it's nice that it fits right there.
Okay.
So that's a great question.
Okay.
But yeah, that just happened to me when I had it.
All right.
Okay, so now, why did I teach that first? Because when I teach, so over time, you don't have to pivot the hindquarters, you can just back them up like this. Like that, right? So hopefully she gets lighter, right? You'll see Oakley, it'll be a lot better Oakley, I'll just go like this and she'll back up. You'll see the progression. Back. But I teach them to pivot the hindquarters by backing, waiting for this leg to be back further, and then ask them to step over.